Welcome to the Social Intelligence channel. Did you know that a handwritten thank you note can make a lasting impression? In fact, studies have shown that people often underestimate the impact of handwritten thank you notes. Recipients are consistently more pleasantly surprised and feel more positive about receiving a handwritten note than the sender expects. This simple gesture can create a lasting impression and strengthen relationships in ways that digital messages often can't. Ready to make your thank you notes unforgettable? Let's dive in. The holiday season is a time for giving, sharing, and expressing gratitude to those who matter most in our lives. And what better way to do that than through a heartfelt thank you note? A simple yet thoughtful gesture that can strengthen relationships and leave a lasting impression. One of the biggest hurdles people face when it comes to writing thank you notes is finding the right words. You want to express your gratitude without sounding insincere or generic. Another challenge is figuring out what to say when you're thanking someone for a gift that's, well, let's just say not exactly your style. And then there's the pressure of writing multiple notes, which can be overwhelming, especially during the busy holiday season. Often, we put off writing thank you notes because we feel like we need to write a novel or create some kind of literary masterpiece. But the truth is, the most important thing is to be sincere and genuine in your approach. Remember, it's the thought that counts, not the length of your note. When you're faced with a gift that's not quite your cup of tea, try to focus on the thought behind it rather than the gift itself. You can express gratitude for the person's kindness and thoughtfulness, even if the gift isn't something you'd normally use. One more thing to consider is the timing of your thank you notes. While it's ideal to send them out shortly after the holiday, it's never too late to express your gratitude. Even a belated note is better than no note at all. When it comes to writing effective thank you notes, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, make it personal. Address the person by name and try to reference a specific memory or inside joke to make the note more meaningful. Second, express genuine gratitude. Don't just say thank you, explain why you're thankful. And third, keep it concise. You don't need to write a novel, just a heartfelt message. Remember, the goal of a thank you note is to show appreciation and thoughtfulness. It's not about being a great writer, it's about being a thoughtful person. So don't be afraid to add a little personality to your note. It's okay to be funny or playful, as long as it feels authentic. A heartfelt note can convey more than just thanks. It shows that you value the person's relationship and are willing to take the time to express your gratitude. It's a way to show that you're thinking of them, even after the holiday is over. In the end, a well-written thank you note can make all the difference in strengthening relationships and showing appreciation for those who matter most in our lives. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful in writing your own holiday thank you notes. If you have any experiences or tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. And if you also want to learn about beating holiday stress, be sure to check out our video here.